Reading practice number 5. Dear Mr. Washington, a review of the records of the Birmingham County Savings Bank indicates that we do not have your tax identification number or your social security number, period. Your federal regulations, we are required to have these numbers for all accounts, paragraph, in order that we may comply with the law, it is exceedingly important that you furnish us with your taxpayer's identification number or social security number, period. Will you please fill out the blank that is enclosed and return it to us as soon as possible, period. A stamp, self-addressed envelope is provided for your convenience in forwarding it to us, paragraph. Thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Washington, period. Sincerely yours,